This is Pre-Calculus Unit 4, Chapter 10. We're going to be doing the review worksheet number 1. This is question number 6. So in this question, they give you, or they tell you that the vertices are 2, 2, and negative 2, 2, and the foci are 4, 2, and negative 4, 2. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is to graph those. So I'm going to go to the right and to the left 4 here. So the vertices are at the 2, 2, and negative 2, 2. Foci are on the outside. All right, so what I have to do from there is I have to find my center. The center, if you remember, is always exactly in the middle of either the foci or the vertices. Doesn't matter which one you use. That's just going to be right in the middle. So that's going to be 0, 2. The reason why that's really important is from that now I can determine what my A, B, and C are going to be. All right, so remember, A is always the distance from the center to the vertices. That's just going to be 2 in this case. All right, B we don't know, but C is the distance from the center to the foci. So that's just going to be 4. So I have 2 of the 3 items I need for the Pythagorean theorem. This is a hyperbola, so I can just go right to the normal Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. All right, in that order. So this is going to give me 4 plus B squared is equal to 16. B squared is equal to 12. So B is going to equal to 2 root 3 once you reduce that. All right, so now I have all the information that I need. All right, since this is a hyperbola, I need to go up and down that 2 root 3. So I have to figure out what that is going to be. So square root of 12 is really what the 2 root 3 is. That's going to be between 3 and 4. So I'm going to go up 3 and down 3. All right, and that's where I'm going to plot those points. And again, I'm doing this from the center. I'm doing that from there because now I'm going to draw in my rectangle. Remember that rectangle is used to then find my asymptotes, which are going to come through the center in each one of those corners. All right, and from there now I can draw in my branches. All right, so what I have to figure out is, well, which way is it going to go? Since my foci are out over here, that means it has to come out to the left and to the right here. All right, so as of right now, technically I have all the information to do my draw or to do my standard form, so I'm actually going to do that next. Since this is going left and right, this is going to be an x minus h squared over the a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared is equal to 1. So x minus 2, I'm sorry, x minus 0 rather, I should say, for the x value for my center is going to be, remember this is my h comma k, so it's going to be x squared over a, remember we knew it was going to be 2, so that's 4, minus y minus 2 squared, again that's coming from the k from the center, all over b squared. So b squared, remember, is just 12, and we have that from right there. That's equal to 1. So that's my standard form. So now I just need to list out what my vertices are, my foci, and what my asymptotes are. So the vertices we already have plotted. That's just going to be right here. And actually they gave this to us, so vertices and foci, I'm just going to check those off because they actually gave this both there. So I'm going to skip through that. All right, the equation for my asymptote here, all right, that's these red lines. It's going to be y equals k, which is my 2, plus or minus. So this is a horizontal, so remember that's the HBO. So that's going to be the 2 root 3 all over 2. And x minus 0. So y equals 2 plus or minus root 3x once you have it simplified.